This is problem 7-58 from section 7.1.4 homework. It says sketch a graph of each equation below. So it wants you to sketch it, so it doesn't need to be entirely like every point plotted perfectly. We're just trying to get a general idea for what the graph looks like. So in part A, we see that since it's a quantity squared, I know it's a parabola. And I could get my vertex from this form. I know it's going to be the opposite of this first number and keep this number the same. So I'll say +2, +3 is going to be my vertex. So I'll plot that on my imaginary thing right here. So 2, 3 is about right there. And I also know the quantity in front of x minus 2. That number right there is my stretch factor. So I know it's going to be negative, which means it's going to open down parabola, it's opening down, and it's a 2, which also means it's a little bit skinnier, okay? So I can go about here, it's skinny, it's going down, here's my vertex. So that's kind of the general look we're going for. Now what you can do is you can type these into your calculator and double check, and label some more points if you'd like. But basically knowing the vertex or the kind of the turning point, and then knowing if the stretch factor is affected at all, that's kind of what we're looking for. So that's part A. In part B, we have a cubic function, okay? Y equals x minus 1 cubed plus 3. Now my vertex or my turning point is going to be the same in this one. Take the opposite of this number, keep this number the same. So that's 1, 3 is my vertex. Make some little notches here. And you could do this nicely on your own little graph paper too. So I know that's kind of my turning point. And the number, there is no number in front of this. It would be a 1. So that just means nothing weird is going on. It's just a typical cubic function. So that's going to kind of look like this. Okay, it continues up and down forever. So again, this is our sketch of these two equations. We can check them on our calculator to get some more points. You can use your table on the calculator to get even more points. But basically knowing where the vertex or turning point is and if there's a stretch factor affecting the graph is basically the most important skills from this problem. Okay, see your teacher if you're still not sure how to graph these, so this is an older concept that we should be able to do fairly well.